Hey everyone, welcome to the Pristine Nook. This video is about linen closet organization. I will be getting rid of a lot of stuff that has been sitting in the linen closet for a while and just organizing everything neatly. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get started. Earlier my linen used to be folded and I used to stack them on top of each other, so you can see some of it is neatly organized and well the other section is just fallen apart. And I also used to have the pillowcases separate to the bed sheets, and I have recently started organizing them in a different way, which I shall be showing in this video.
내가 시키는 대로 해. 너와 나만 아는 비밀이야, 서로 위로해. 이불을 꽉 쥐어줘, let's roll. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your
I had some random kitchen and household things in these tubs which have been moved out of the linen closet.
그냥 생각 좀 하고 있어. Yeah. 긴 밤을 지새 너와 보내 그 첫 밤. Yeah. 김이 서려 나와 부딪힌 술잔에. No no. 가림막 없이 창피하지 않아 자랑해. 네 속이 너무 궁금해 생각해 all day. 내일 밤은 어때? 괜찮은 타임에 꺼내서 보여줘 너의 맘을. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise.
So I'm using some craft tags to label my linen today, and it's easier to with these ones to just tie them up on the baskets rather than just using something sticky, because the sticky ones do fall off and I've had my experience with them, so I just thought I'll try something new. I'm just filling up these sachets with some lavender and I'm going to place them in my closet to keep it smelling nice.
Let's roll. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please.
So here are my storage baskets that I'm going to be using today for organizing my linen. I have the smaller ones for the tea towels and storing some spare pillowcases. Some of the bigger ones are for the bed linen, and the bigger ones, so the grey one that you see here, is actually a laundry basket, and I'm using that as a storage basket to put some of the spare blankets that I have.
Feel right, I can't help. Got this sweet talk, I'm already
So this is how I've been storing my bed linen recently. Instead of keeping the pillowcases separate from the actual bed sheet, so I've been putting the flat sheet first and then been putting the fitted sheet in it and then the pillow cover, and then I've been putting everything, folding everything together and then putting it into a pillowcase finally, and then just folding it like this and putting it away. So it's easier to grab what you want when everything is in one place and you don't have to reach out to 5 different places to grab the pillowcases and the matching sheet set for it.
It feels so nice. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say listen, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say listen, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds.
I forgot to mention, I got all of these baskets from Kmart.
Of the time when I find myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. 있어